I got the LG NanoCell TV, the 70 Nano 75. I bought the TV from Best Buy for $749.99 on Black Friday, November 26th of 2021. The TV is also on sale right now for $699.99 at Best Buy. It's April 23rd of 2022. The original price of the TV was $1,099.99. As usual with a large TV, it's much easier to have two people around when taking it out of the box and setting it up. Now we have the styrofoam out of the box and the pieces that were on top. There was the two base feet, a user manual, a power cord, and a bag full of another manual and a remote control. Now we're releasing the tabs on the back of the box so that we can pull the box straight up. And so the two of us just pull the box straight up and the TV stands with all the styrofoam. Remove the last piece of styrofoam. And inside the bag, we have some bolts and some cable management pieces to keep the cables in place. Next, we're going to undo the cardboard at the bottom on both sides. This will allow us to lift the TV up easier. Also note, we'll be placing it flat on the TV box that it came with, which has the styrofoam blocks inside for support. It's also much easier to put the TV legs on from this position. Now we're going to remove the cellophane, which should peel right off rather easily. Next, we take the first foot and slide it into the base of the TV. Then insert the other foot on the other side on the base of the TV. Then we'll take our screws that came with the TV and secure the feet to the base of the TV. These screws are easy enough to start off by hand. So just put them through the foot and attach them to the TV and tighten them up. There's the bolts to put onto the other foot. Later we'll attach our AC power cable here. Over here we have our optical in, our HDMI, our USB, and our LAN port. On the side here we have our antenna and cable port, two HDMIs, and a USB port. Now that we have our Phillips head screwdriver, we're going to tighten up the bolts on the bottom of these feet, on the bottom of the TV, to secure the feet to the TV. You could also mount this TV to the wall if you have a TV mount. Now I'm going to take this power cable and plug it into the AC input. Here's a look at the mounting holes in case you want to mount the TV and the attached power cable. Now that we have both feet attached, we'll just pick the TV up and place it on the floor. There's a look at the TV assembled and out of the box. Here's the LG remote that came with the TV. And take it out of the plastic. The remote also comes with a set of batteries, which is nice. So I'm just going to open those up and put them in the remote. Just slide the cover off the back of the remote, place the batteries in the back of the remote, then put the cover back on. Now we got the TV on and starting up. It's got the webOS logo. Loading. It says press OK button wheel on your remote. So I'm press OK on the button wheel on the remote. Select installation method. We use the magic remote. And we're going to click TV. It's asking if we want to use audio guidance. Is currently turned on to assist the visual impaired. Do you want to keep audio guidance on? No. If you keep audience guidance turned on, text and remote commands will read aloud. Also, you cannot use the magic pointer on the magic remote. So I'm going to click no. Okay, now it wants us to set up our language, United States, and our time zone. I'm going to connect my antenna wire to the back of the TV so I can get all my antenna channels. Now I have the time zone and the Wi-Fi set up. I'm going to select antenna so it can scan all the antenna stations. It also asked for the zip code. Now it's asking for where we mounted the TV, so we put it on a stand. And now we're going to start tuning the TV for the antenna channels. It looks like it found 47 channels, so we can click done. TV's loading up. First use is complete. Start a new experience with LG AI TV. Let's click done. And TV's loading, antenna's loading. Okay, so we got our channel 2. The TV has a really nice picture. Let's look through some of the antenna channels. As you can see, the TV comes in really nice, really good. Here's another infomercial on one of the other antenna channels. Some guys putting down tile. The TV looks really nice. Let's look at some of the settings with the magic remote. So we have picture mode, sound out, game optimization, sleeper timer, network connection. And you just wiggle the remote and the mouse comes up. Okay, here's the home menu, our dashboard, settings, edit, app list, media play, web browser, who, where, when, sports, dashboard, apps, LG channels. So now we're on the home dashboard. The TV's playing in the top left corner, and we have our devices and HDMIs that are connected to the TV. Here's a look at the apps menu. It's loading up. So we have featured apps on the first tab here, like Peloton and a bunch of different apps. We have an entertainment tab, so I'm going to let that load up. Okay, we have Pluto, Discovery Plus, Spotify, and a bunch of different apps. We can download our apps that we need, like Prime, or update the apps. So Prime's already installed. We go to our main app list here, shows us our apps that we have. The TV comes installed with a lot of different apps, such as Tubi and YouTube. So Prime Video is already installed, so we can just update that. Let's check out the LG channels. Load up the LG channels app. Watch free movies and TVs, no account, no sign up, no cost, for free. So you can just start it. But you have to accept some user agreement. So we'll accept that. Terms of use, privacy policy, and LG user agreement. So here is LG TV. Looks like it has some internet channels like Yo, MTV. We have Pluto TV, Bloomberg TV, Spankin' New TV by MTV. Some TV shows, some comedy shows, some romance shows, action. Here's the Olympics playing on the TV. Overall, I'm happy with the TV. It has a really nice picture, has good sound. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and a comment below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.